Hello friends, welcome to Padhaku Zadda. My name is Varsha and today we will cover all the questions, daily current affairs questions from 24th April to 26th April with respect to your exam point of view. So our first question is, which date is observed as English Language Day? So 23rd April is observed as English Language Day, and this day is celebrated to create the awareness to the people about the culture, history and achievement associated with this language, and the origin of this language is England. Please remember these points. Who has become the ambassador for its I Am Badminton Awareness campaign? So this is an hashtag I Am Badminton Awareness campaign, and here we have given the image, but in examination you will not get any image. So please remember these points. PV Sindhu. PV Sindhu is the one who has become the ambassador for this campaign. Okay, this campaign provides a platform for players to express their love and respect for badminton by advocating their clean and honest play. Okay, this is started by Badminton World Federation. Also, it promotes sports integrity, which is about keeping the sports free of corruption, doping and manipulation. So this initiative has been started by Badminton World Federation and the ambassador is PV Sindhu. Which date is observed as World Book Day? So World Book Day is observed on 23rd April. This day is celebrated or is observed to promote the enjoyment of books and reading different types of books. Also, this day is celebrated to honor the authors and the knowledge they share with the whole world. So our next question is, on which river PRO constructed Kasoval Bridge, a permanent bridge? So Kasoval Bridge has been constructed on Ravi River, which is a tributary of Indus River. Please remember this point. Ravi is a tributary of Indus River in Pakistan, and Kasoval Bridge has been constructed on Ravi River only. This has been constructed by BRO, Border Roads Organization. Previously, a pontoon bridge or a floating bridge, we can say, was used by vehicles to pass through it. Every year it was dismantled in monsoon so that it does not get washed away in strong currents of the river because of the monsoon. Now they have built a permanent bridge. It is an all-weather bridge to help the citizens for this. What is the name of China's first Mars exploration mission? So China's first Mars exploration mission has been named Tianwen-1. It is a Tianwen series. So if there will be any next Mars exploration by China, it will be named as Tianwen-2. Okay, this is China's first mission. Till now, only 4 organizations was able to do this. It was US, Soviet Union, European Space Agency and India. Okay, please remember these 4 organizations too, and it is the first Mars mission of the China Tianwen series, and this is the first of the Tianwen series, so its name is Tianwen first. UNCTAD cancels US dollar dash amount of debts owed by developing countries, not the developed countries, by developing countries. Okay, so UNCTAD has cancelled $1 trillion debt owed by developing countries to help them during COVID-19 pandemic. What is the full form of UNCTAD? United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. Please remember the full form also. Before proceeding to further questions, Now you can connect us on Instagram and Telegram also. For connecting on Instagram, please type PADHAKUSADDA Padhaku's Adda, and for Telegram, please type PADHAKU_SADDA Padhaku's Adda. Please like and share our video, subscribe to our channel, and please press the bell button for the daily updates. How many asteroids astronomers have found orbiting the sun between Jupiter and Neptune? So total 19 asteroids astronomers have found right now. You can see the solar system image here. Till now we only knew that the asteroid belt is between Mars and Jupiter, but now scientists have found the asteroids between Jupiter and Neptune. Yes, Jupiter and Neptune in this area, and these are not new. These are 4.5 billion years old. 4.5 billion years old. These were revolving around our sun by last 4.5 billion years. So total 19 the scientists have found till now. What is the name of first military satellite launched by Iran? So it is Noor. Noor took off through an unknown rocket named Gazed, G-H-A-S-E-D, Gazed, or Messenger. Both are the name of the rocket only, Messenger or Gazed. Please remember the name of the rockets also. It is the first Muslim country having military satellite. Of course, US is not happy with this decision. You must have listened to the news, and Iran have become the 12th country which done this. Which date is observed as World Malaria Day? So 15th April is observed as World Malaria Day. This day is celebrated, and this day brings awareness about the people globally to fight malaria disease. The theme for this year is Zero Malaria Starts With Me. Zero Malaria Starts With Me. Okay, it denotes the action and bring changes using resources available and to fight with this disease. So our next question is, which application Pradhan Mantri or Prime Minister has launched on National Panchayati Raj Day? So it was E-Gram Swaraj, which was launched on National Panchayati Raj Day, which was celebrated on 24th April. Okay. The application's function is to monitor and organize events for rural areas. The Panchayati Raj Day, this day was celebrated first by our previous Prime Minister Manmohan Singh in 2010. Please remember this also, 24th April 2010. Thank you so much dosto for watching our video. Stay home, stay safe. Please utilize this time to prepare for your upcoming exams. Be at your home. All the very best for your preparation. Thank you.